In this masterclass, I will show you how to recover massive amounts of storage space on your Android without deleting any of your personal photos, videos, or important applications. If you are watching this, you are likely dealing with the most frustrating notification on any smart device, which is the dreaded storage space running out warning. You attempt to download a new application, record a high definition video, or run a crucial software update, and your system stops you completely. You scroll through your image gallery and wonder where all of your memory is actually going because you simply do not have that many pictures. The reality is that your Android is secretly hoarding gigabytes of hidden junk files, application caches, and temporary system data that you cannot easily find or identify on your own. Today, I'm going to walk you through the absolute best settings to reclaim that lost space quickly and safely. I am using a Samsung device to demonstrate these methods, but this is a universal Android tutorial. Whether you are using a Samsung, Google Pixel, Xiaomi, or any other Android device, these exact steps will work perfectly for you. Let us jump right into the first hidden setting. First, we need to tackle the biggest storage stealers on your system, which are hidden application caches. Over time, your applications download temporary files to load faster, but they never clean up after themselves. Go ahead and open your primary settings application. Scroll down slowly until you find the section labeled Apps or App Management. Tap on it to open the comprehensive list of everything installed on your device. Now look for the sort icon or filter button and select Size. This action will organize your applications from the largest space hog at the top to the smallest at the bottom, giving you a clear target. Let us tap on one of these heavy applications, for example, TikTok or maybe Instagram. Scroll down on the application information page and tap on Storage. Now, you must pay very close attention here. Only tap the button that says Clear Cache. Do not, under any circumstances, tap Clear Data. If you accidentally tap Clear Data, you will be completely logged out of your account. You will lose your local settings, and you might lose unsaved information within that application. Clearing the cache simply removes temporary junk files that are perfectly safe to delete. Go ahead and repeat this exact process for the top 10 largest applications on your list to see an immediate boost in your available memory. Quick reminder, if this is helping you out, please hit subscribe. Now, let us move on to the second hidden setting to locate massive files you did not even know existed. Go back to your home screen and open your application drawer. Find the My Files application, or if you are on another brand, it might just be called Files. Open it up. Look for the button that says Analyze Storage or Manage Storage and tap it. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. You are looking for a specific section called Large Files. Tap on that folder. Inside, you will typically find forgotten screen recordings, massive unedited videos, or old installation files that you no longer need. Select the files you are absolutely ready to part with and hit Delete. Once that is done, do not close the application just yet. Tap the back button and look for your trash or recycle bin. Your Android device actually holds on to deleted files for 30 days before truly removing them, meaning you have not actually freed up any space yet. Tap Empty Trash to permanently wipe that junk and get your gigabytes back immediately. For our third optimization step, we are going deep into your web browser, which is a notorious culprit for hoarding data. Open up Google Chrome. Tap the three little dots located in the top right corner of the screen. Go down the menu and tap on Settings. Scroll down until you see Site Settings and tap on it. Now scroll down again and find the section called Data Stored. This is a hidden system folder where websites leave behind enormous amounts of tracking cache and image data. Tap the massive button that says Clear All Data. This is a huge space saver that most people never think to check. And by the way, if you happen to use an Apple device for work or personal use, this specific Chrome trick works exactly the same way on iOS devices too. Finally, let us ensure your Android maintains this clean storage automatically so you never have to worry about seeing that warning notification again. Open your main settings application one more time. Search for Device Care or Battery and Device Care using the search bar at the top. Tap on Auto Optimization. Ensure this toggle is switched to the on position. This powerful feature allows your Android device to automatically clear out background system logs and silently restart itself during the night while you sleep, keeping your memory completely optimized. And that is it. Your storage should be looking a whole lot healthier now. If this video helped you out, do me a small favor and subscribe to Device Guardian. It really does help the channel grow, and it lets me keep bringing you more simple tips and fixes like this one. If you want to free up even more space, check out my video on how to clear hidden system storage on Android. It is on your screen right now, and the link is down in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.